Hey everyone. If you're over 40 and feel like your muscles just aren't what they used to be, or maybe you've been struggling to build strength, burn fat, or just keep up with the daily grind, I've got something incredible to share with you today. This one exercise, it literally builds muscle everywhere, and it's something everyone over 40 desperately needs to be doing. But here's the catch. Most people either totally ignore it or don't do it right, and that's why they miss out on its magic. If you're thinking another complicated workout, I don't have time for that. Hold on, this is simple. It's doable anywhere, and it's scientifically proven to work. So, what is this miracle move? Ready for it? It's the deadlift. Now, before you start picturing those huge weights in a gym, relax. You can start with very light weights, or even just your body weight to get all the benefits. The deadlift is a powerhouse exercise. It activates multiple muscle groups all at once: your legs, glutes, back, core, even your arms. That's why it's called the king of full body strength moves. The best part? After 40, our muscle mass naturally declines. But the deadlift fights that aging process head on by stimulating muscle growth everywhere. Research shows it boosts metabolism and improves bone density, which means not just more muscle, but better posture, less injury risk, and more energy to live life fully. Here's a quick tip: keep your back straight, hinge at your hips, and drive through your heels. Start slow and focus on control. If you're unsure about technique, consult a trainer or watch tutorials. Getting form perfect is key to avoid injury and get max results. Believe me, I've seen incredible transformations. People over 40 who felt weak and tired suddenly reclaiming their confidence, moving pain-free, and gaining strength they thought was lost forever. And you can too. So don't wait. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your fitness, the deadlift is your secret weapon. Drop a comment below if you want me to share beginner-friendly deadlift routines. And if you found this helpful, hit that like and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Remember, age is just a number, and with moves like this, you're only getting stronger. See you in the next video.